everybody, welcome. Now today, well the other day I done a trifle, a bird's trifle, one of my favourite puddings a bird's trifle is. Well, a trifle, I'd never done a bird's one before, but I'd done it and it turned out okay I suppose. Now our Natalie's not feeling very well today, so I thought I'd do one of her favourite puddings. So let me show you what I've got, just something to cheer her up a little bit. Right, I've got myself some ingredients ready. What I'm going to do is that lemon meringue pie. That's greens, I'm baking since 1907. Quick and easy to make, just add water. But I've had a look at the instructions, you don't just add water, you've got to add the egg as well, obviously. There's the instructions. You know, but I'm going to do it nice and simple in one of them. That cost me £1 from Tesco's, that did. Already made, so that's simple. And that cost me 70p. But you get 2 packets in there, so obviously you can make 2. If you get 2 of them, obviously. But I'm going to compare it with Aldi's pre-made one. I mean, that was only £1.25. £1.25p for that. Already made. So, let's open this up and have a look what it is, what it's like. There's 2 packets, obviously, it says. So there's the 2 packets. There's the pack, just a mix, innit? We'll have a look at that in a minute. So I've got 2 egg whites. It says 2 egg whites, I think, somewhere. Which 2 egg whites, yeah, until stiff. In a bowl. Got 110 grams of caster sugar. I've got 1 egg yolk. It says egg yolk somewhere. Yeah. Egg yolk if desired to make it sweeter. So I'll put an egg yolk in. And I've got 280 ml of water. So let's cook it. Make it, cook it. Taste it. Get that in the oven with it as well. Cook them at the same time and we'll have a taste. Right then, let's have a look how we start it. Pour the contents of 1 sachet into a saucepan and then stir in the water. For richer filling, add an egg yolk. Right, so we'll add this in first. Just like custard powder in it, I suppose. Put lemon. Like so. Hold on a second, does it say eat? Or just stir? Yes, simmer. So I'll stir this in. Obviously it's a bit at a time, so I'll just stir and go, stir and go. So it goes all smooth, I suppose. Add an egg yolk. Get it in. And I'll stir and I'll put that on low. And I'll keep mixing and I'll bring you back when this is all, I don't know what it does, thickens up I suppose. Well, that's got nice and thick now. And to be honest, it smells really, really lemony as well. There's a little bit in there, so now it says simmer it and leave for 1 minute. So let me just get that little bit out. Right, that's done. I'm going to take it off the heat. I've got the oven on warming up. Now I'll open the pastry case. Scissors. Don't break it, whatever you do. I know I'm heavy-handed, so let's open it up. Never used one of these before. So £1 pre-made. There it is. Quite good actually for £1. I mean, that's it there, it's just a sweet pastry case. That's it. Then it says make the filling, make the lemon pie filling as instructions above, done that, and pour into case, then allow it to cool. So I'll put it in that case. And then I'll allow that to cool. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, can you? It smells really lemony though, I must admit that. There's that bit. I'll just give that a little shake. Do any air bubbles. That's that bit there. It's looking nice. I'll put that out of the way and then we'll do the whisk the egg up and that. As I say, what's the instructions say now for the egg? So I want to do it as instructions to see if it works. Whisk 2 egg whites until stiff in a clean bowl, yeah, blah blah blah. Gradually whisk in the caster sugar, quarter at a time. Okay, so we'll put the 2 egg whites in. Is that going to be enough to go over all that pie? Oh, I don't think so. We'll see. I'll whisk away. Always got to add a few little soft peaks in now. So I'm just going to add the sugar, quarter at a time. Slowly whisk. I should have used an hand whisk for this really, but I'll mix it. Bring you back when this is done. Right, I've had a bit of a problem with my egg whites. They won't peak a lot. Second time I've done it now. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I made sure there was no egg yolk in there. I'll clean the bowl out and everything again. But I've run out of eggs now. So this will have to do. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Egg whites have made that peak. Then put the caster sugar in slowly. But it just won't peak a lot. Let me know what I'm doing wrong, because I've never done egg whites before, so I ain't got a clue. But that's going to have to do anyway. It's only frying that, so. But you see, it's a bit runny. I'm just going to stick it in anyway. I'm scared of doing it anymore, because I've been on it for half an hour to see what it comes out like, eh? Maybe I'm overthinking things, I don't know. I'm sure Anna will tell me when she tastes it. And I'm sure you'll tell me in the comments what I've done wrong. I ain't got a clue. Well, there we go. Been an absolute ball ache. So let me know what I've done wrong with them egg whites, please. And maybe I can try it again. Right, now let's open this one now. See what this looks like. Okay, there it is, there's that one. Bit different to mine, isn't it? I mean, mine's a lot bigger, but that one looks a lot more appetising, to be fair. So they both go in the oven for half hour, I think it said. Yeah, that one goes in for 30 minutes. And this one goes in for, well, this probably ends up coming out runny anyway. 25 minutes and then leave to stand. So I'll get them in the oven. Then we'll just have a look when it's done. Right, everybody. Let me show you. So there's the shop bought one, which you can tell. And there's mine. I don't know what happened to that egg white. But it's gone hard, but I think it's going to be too soft in the middle. But anyway, Aunt Natalie's going to taste it. She's not coming on camera, because she's not very well. She's in pyjamas. So, let's get her to taste it. Right, there we go. I've cut them up. I put them on a board. They look quite nice. That's my one. I'm surprised the meringue's come out as good as it has. I mean, it could have been a lot better than that, but I don't know what happened. And that's the Aldi one. I'm going to give him Aunt Nat to taste. Because she loves lemon meringue, so she'll tell me exactly. I don't really like it. It's a bit too sweet for me. So let me give it her. And let her have a taste. Let me get her a fork. Get 2 forks. I'll just give it Aunt Nat. Say she's not coming on because she's not very well.
Oh, that looks nice.
You'll have to speak up though because you're sitting over
okay.
there. Well, she's gonna tell us what she thinks.
Right, which one do you want me to have first? They both look really nice.
Whichever one you want first.
Right, I'll try the shop one first.
Go on the shop one then.
Aldi one.
moment of truth.
I love lemon meringue anyways.
I know you do.
Really nice.
You like that one, don't you? That Aldi one.
Aldi
You've had it
one's
before,
great.
haven't you? The Aldi
I've
one.
had it before, so right, I'm gonna get another 4
Yeah.
and try your one.
Try my one. Tell me what you think of the meringue.
Oh my god.
Truth. Honest truth, no lies.
I'm not gonna lie,
Just because I've cooked it.
that is amazing.
Is it good?
I wouldn't say it otherwise, I'll tell you, because I love lemon meringue.
Yeah, but what about the meringue though?
It's nice. It's a little soft.
A little soft, yeah. 'Cause
But
it wouldn't,
it's
that's
still-
my. So that's my one. I couldn't get it to peak. I don't know why. Let me know in the comments why. What I've done wrong.
In your one, the meringue's a lot softer. Well, in
Yeah, because you can see that's crunchy,
yeah,
can't you?
in the other one it's a lot crunchier, but the taste, I think,
Let me put them on. Let me put them on here so you can. See. So the Aldi ones fell apart as well because that's probably why it's not cheap because it isn't in the tray. So I've had to put it on one of these to see if I can pick it up. Let me just see.
the filling in the pastry on yours, it's really nice. The filling's so tasty. The filling in on yours is tasty.
So there you go. There's the Aldi one. As you can see, it's a lot crunchier, isn't it? I mean, I suppose I could have kept that one in a lot longer to get it more crunchy, but it's the inside. So I don't know which one we. Well, the Aldi one was £1.25, right? And the other one was pound for the case, 70p for the thing, but you get 2 packs, so 35p.
Right.
And you got to put a couple of eggs in. So that was probably about what? About 150.
And how much was the Aldi one?
125. So it's about 150 to make that, and that's 125 pre-done. So which one would you have? So they're roughly about, they're not far off on the price.
You're not far off on the same prices. And our one, the one that you've made, is a lot bigger. So it'll serve
It is a
more.
lot bigger actually, yeah, that's the point.
So it'll serve more.
So it is a lot bigger.
So really,
It's twice the size virtually.
the homemade one, I know it's like, you know, a ball ache to make the
Well, it's not a ball ache, it's just that I've never done meringue before.
no.
So it never. I mean, it's not, I know it doesn't look right, but.
It's not about the look though, it's about what it tastes
Does
like.
it taste okay?
It tastes lovely. I wouldn't say it otherwise because I love lemon meringue.
So you wouldn't be bothered which one you ate, would you, early?
I think for the money, a homemade one's better because it serves more people.
Yeah, but it's only you eat it.
But it's only me that eats it, so. I can't.
But for convenience, the Aldi one, for the same price, roughly.
For convenience,
The
yeah.
Aldi one,
Yeah, and if you wasn't too sure how to do
like me.
that, then
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, there you go. So either and either. I don't know. I mean, if you're good at making meringue, then try that. That was what was that? Where's the box for it? I've lost the box. Oh, here it is. Say greens, 70p, but you get 2 sachets.
So it's worth the money.
So you get 2 sachets. So if you bought another one of them pastries, you know, you'd have 2 massive ones. So if you made 2, it'd be worth
The pastry
Worth the
on
money.
yours is so more crispier and nicer.
the pastry's better on that pre-bought one.
Pre-bought, not your one.
Yeah.
What about the pastry?
Yeah,
So
that's
I've
what I
got a
mean. It was
snack-
pre-bought pastry. I never made that pastry.
Yeah, but you put it in the oven and stuff and you added the filling and everything.
Yeah, but I never made that pastry.
It's nice.
It's already bought. Alright. Well, there we go anyway. We don't know. Nat likes them both. She'll eat them both. I'm not trying it because I don't really like it. It's too sweet for me. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. I am the Old Food Guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Just another quick video. See you later. Bye-bye.